Alright, what's up YouTube? Sorry for the poor quality. I'm recording this on my phone, so it doesn't look good. I apologize, but it won't look good for long. It won't look bad for long. Because right now I'm doing an unboxing. Now here's all the equipment I recently got for my channel. It is the blue Snowball Black Ice condenser mic, USB microphone, true audio quality on Skype, Twitch, and FaceTime. Add crystal clear audio to recordings for YouTube, create podcasts, and add narration to your home movies, record instrument or vocals. Easy plug and play directly to your Mac or PC, no drivers to install. Well, let's unbox this bad boy. What it looks like. Here's the cord. Here's a mic stand, USB cord for it. That's the direction. Oh, just a bunch of recording tips and stuff. I've looked at fingertips and searched on recording. There's that. See the mic itself. Get it out. Hold on. Apparently the mic doesn't want to come. Here's the mic. It's a lot bigger than it's still in the plastic. I can easily remove it, but yeah. I believe this costed me around, if I'm right, like $50. I could be wrong. I think it might have been 50, but I'll just leave that. And once I figure out the price, I'll just leave the link in the description. That way, if anybody you guys want to buy it, you can. This is the Dragon Pad pop filter. Basically, pop filters, if you're new to not really new to YouTube, but new to audio recording, and pop filters basically say, since I'm saying pop right now, if you're recording and you're saying pop on a mic, it'll go puff. Like you get that popping noise, like that puff. This is supposed to stop that. So that's the only reason I got it, because I don't want to deal with the whole and that's what it looks like. So when I talk, it'll be like, when I say like people, places, things like that, it won't go through the mic and I won't get that popping noise. Now, we get on to the fun part. This is the Elgato HD60 capture card. Allows you to record hours of gameplay on your Xbox, PS4, or PlayStation. It'll actually work on any system. I can do live commentary if I wanted to. Multi-track audio, obviously say multiple infringement, add webcam elevation more, so if I want to record myself on the screen, I can. Which you're going to need a webcam for, but let's open this bad boy up and see what it looks like. Might need a knife. Nope. Nope, there we go. I don't need a knife. Yeah, so this is just to record with power. 1080p 60 capture, 20 megabits, up to max bit rate, encoder rate. I don't know what that means. I know what 1080p 60 is though. Ooh, fancy. Got the rock. Oh, that's nice. That is really nice. There's a card and everything for it. So bad boy, we'll go straight to your computer. As you can see, it has an HDMI input, and then the USB. We'll plug that here. With the cords for it. This is your USB cord, and your HDMI cord, which you can plug in to. As you can see, it shows you where you can plug in your HDMI cord into. Basically, you just record. This is all you do is just plug it into the USB into your computer, and then plug the HDMI into your system. Now, if you're recording from PC, you would just plug it into your PC. Unfortunately, the PC I have is a cheap laptop. It's not really cheap, but it's a laptop that doesn't have an HDMI compatibility to it, so it sucks, because I can watch that in HD, but for this keep on playing videos, that's what anyways, I can't really record on PC because my PC's not really a gaming PC. But once I get ready for a gaming PC, I might actually just start doing that. But oh yeah, one more thing. Now we have this bad boy. Logitech C920 HD Pro webcam. I believe this was like 51, 52. Honestly, I don't know the price of everything. I just know the total price of everything, including shipping in my area, was $283, but total without shipping was $271. So it all depends on your area and taxes. Like if you get, like if you're taxed or stuff online. Some of you may live in a state that have no taxes, but the price might be higher. So yeah, book this bad boy, and we'll look at it, and I think from now on that I'll start recording shit. I might actually record 2 hours of gameplay, only because there's a thing at my workplace that's basically trivia, and I like to go there. But we'll see. I might not even want to do a recording tonight. How many times do they tape these things? These things on death row. Screw it. Get the knife. I'll be back. I'm gonna cut myself. Oh, okay. There we go. What the beauty looks like. That's a really nice camera. Not that I'm walking around like that too much. Yeah, nice. Yeah. That's the camera itself. I'll take the plastic off later, but that's for a tripod stand. I don't have a tripod. I might get one eventually, but right now I'll probably just record with things sitting on top of my mic, or my computer. Laptop, actually. Yeah. Actually, you know what? I think I might actually just open up the microphone and show what everything looks like. I think I already showed, but that's nice. That's really nice microphone. Open up the stand. Let's see what this looks like on the stand and everything. Nice little stand. I know this video is really long, but I figured I would just show everything. There's the microphone on its stand. I would just talk into it. I can put the pop filter on it, which honestly, I thought the pop filter would be a little too big for it. Well, I guess not. Yeah, I could just, and then I'll adjust it accordingly. It's a long video, a lot longer than I wanted it to be. Oh well. That's that. And there we go. That's awesome. Like I finally got a pop mic. I'll add here's the USB that I can put into it. Other than that, this is nice. So that's everything I have. The mic, hold on, let me flip the camera. The mic along with the pop filter, the USB cable that goes with it. The AC60 power recorder, the Logitech webcam. There's a mess on my counter table now. My kitchen counter, I mean. But other than that, yeah. So, hope you enjoyed it. I will post a couple links in the description of everything, so that way in case if anybody wants to buy this and start your own YouTube or gaming channel, you can. It's a little on the expensive side, but as far as like budget goes, if you're just starting out, it's actually a perfect price. And you might be able to find them on sale somewhere else. If you do, let me know, and I will update the links in the description. Alright, later.